my goodness.
It's a Goo Goo Goo. Ew, the slime.
Oh, man.
It's pink. Hi guys, how you guys doing today? I'm Harper, this is my mother Angela.
Hi.
And today we are doing 2 Goo Goo Galaxies.
Yes. And I had never seen these before, so I have no idea what to expect.
No, but it says on the box, first you cut one of the spikes open and off, and then you get out the critter, and then you put the slime powder in, and then you suck it up with the critter, and then last you squeeze to slurp in burp slime. That's all it says. And
Yeah.
Goo critters.
They look interesting.
Yeah, they look really weird.
But if you are new to our channel and haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up.
I give 2 now.
And let's get to it. Okay, so
It's 5 and up.
it is for ages 5 and up.
I'm 5.
You are almost 6.
Yeah, so these are perfect toys for me, apparently.
Yeah.
Right, these things are made for me.
But yeah, let's go ahead and get these open.
Let's open it up! Open it up! Open it up! I'm so excited.
Somebody is very excited.
Yeah, because I love slime.
Okay, and I'm not sure if there. Oh, there is something in here. It says open secret hatch.
Since I'm his mama, and whatever it is. Oh my gosh! There's a baggie for the slime. Here's a baggie for the slime.
Oh, that's cool. And it says Goo Goo Galaxies.
Oh, it's some glitter.
Oh, I bet that. Oh, glitter stars. I bet that's for the slime.
Yeah, that's probably for the slime.
There are so many that you can get. I accidentally ripped it, but there are 20 to collect. That is so cool.
Yeah, and she accidentally broke it. It's fine now.
There are common ones and rare ones and ultra rare.
I hope I get one ultra rare.
Well, this says they came from outer space.
Out of space.
Yeah, goo critters have arrived at warp speed and they are starving. They will slurp, burp, and melt your ooey gooey heart.
I'm excited to
cool.
cut this corner.
Okay, so first you are going to tear open and squeeze the star. Whew.
It's hard. Come on. Oh, corner!
Oh my gosh, I'm scared it's just gonna shoot slime everywhere. Okay, so I cut a little bit to get it started.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's working!
Oh man.
Oh, sparkly!
It's sparkly. Okay, so now squeeze the star. Maybe flip it over.
Oh! It's coming out! It's coming out!
Oh my goodness.
It's a Goo Goo Goo! Ew! The slime!
Oh man.
It's pink!
Oh,
Don't touch it!
wow.
Don't touch it! It's really slippery.
Wow.
It's a Goo Goo critter. Oh, it's so cute!
That is something else.
Feel the slime. The slime feels so weird.
I don't like slime.
Oh, so jiggly.
Okay, so we are going to set this star aside.
Yeah. Ooh, the slime is so yucky.
I don't know why you're saying it's yucky when you like slime.
This is like watery, yucky slime.
It is pretty watery. How are we supposed to get this open? Oh, it's stuck on me. Okay.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, this bag is so gooey.
So here's a little buddy. Here's a little guy. Says that I can squeeze. Oh, yeah, I can squeeze really good.
Okay, so this one is... Oh. This one is Androm.
Hi, Androm. I'm so excited.
And it is a rare.
It's a rare. I got a rare.
It is a rare. That's really cool.
Yeah, I love. Oh my! Look, I love my handprint.
Let's see. We are going to mix the glitter into the slime.
Okay, I'll pour it in. It feels so good. Can't stop touching it.
We're gonna put this glitter in it. Little bit at a time. All right, there's a little bit more. Actually, there's a lot bit more.
This is portal in. Look at the slime now. Ew.
It's so gooey.
It's sticky.
Well, that is very colorful slime.
Yeah, it's so jiggly.
But yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit like Jell-O.
Yeah, because it's so jiggly.
It is very jiggly.
Now let's suck it.
Now, you squeeze this and you can slurp it up with the
These are like the slime
creature.
flavors.
Oh man. Try to get more. Oh man. This is so weird.
And so cool. It's so cool.
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Or you can just slide right.
Oh.
Or you could just slide right into the creature's mouth. I don't know.
Oh, maybe it's too much to fit in its mouth.
And then watch this.
Oh man.
There's someone's face.
Well, that was actually kind of neat. It's... Oh, it doesn't sound the greatest. It's slurpy.
And burpy.
And it does kind of sound like it's burping. Okay, well, let's get it all slurped up and then we'll get into the next one. Oh, this sounds so weird.
I think it's all done. Oh! What am I?
It's all in there.
Now I'm gonna squeeze it out at the end of this video.
Oh, man. Trying to clean up. Okay, we are going to start opening this one.
Yeah!
Okay, we got this one open now. We're going to set that aside, and Harper's going to open the secret hatch.
Ah! Here's the bag. Here's the other bag. Oh my gosh! The sequin! The sequins! They're not sequins, but they're glitter. They're so cool.
That is cool. Okay, so we're going to set those aside for now.
So now let's cut this open.
Okay.
This?
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's purple!
Ugh.
It's purple.
Oh, wow. Go ahead and squeeze it out.
I'm trying. It's so hard.
It's
Open it!
stuck.
It's getting out! It's coming out! Ugh.
Oh, man.
Here's a creature.
Oh.
Ew.
Okay.
I love this.
Let's get this out.
Creature.
I can't get a hold of it. It's too slimy.
You want me to give it up? Come here.
Oh,
Oh, it's a bunny.
oh, that's cool. This is stuck to me.
It's a bunny.
Ugh.
Ew,
Oh my goodness.
Here's a bunny. Bop, 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 bop. It's a bunny.
Okay, let's see who this one is. It looks like it is... Oh, guess what? We got another rare. This one is Elu? Elu?
Elu?
But it's another rare.
Yeah, we got another rare.
Right
We got another
there.
rare. Ooh,
That's cool.
I'd love to tickle on the sign.
Okay, so now that we got that open... Oh, it's only got 2 legs. We are going to... Well, actually, Harper is going to mix these into the slime. It is very pretty.
Yeah.
I like this one better, though, because I really like stars.
Yeah, me too.
But that one is pretty as well.
Yeah, this one looks like a fire. Kind of.
It kind of does. It looks kind of fiery.
Here's the bunny.
Okay, so now Harper is going to slurp it up with Elu.
Elu or Elu. I don't know. To get some? To get some more?
Yeah.
Get it?
It's not sucking up very well. Oh, now it kind of is. Oh, man.
Oh, I'm so excited.
That's weird.
And disgusting. Come on.
It's kind of disgusting. Yeah. Well,
We got some of it in. Do you want me to put it in?
it's just gonna fall out anyway.
I'll just squirt it out.
That's kind of neat.
I'll just give it out now. Here we go. It was so good.
Well, those are kind of icky for me, but I don't like slime. But they're kind of cool as well, and the slime is pretty.
Yeah.
But what we are going to do now is we are going to get it all cleaned up and get the slime in the bags. So we have the slime in the bags.
Yep.
And they are really pretty.
Yeah.
Just really gooey.
Gooey.
Well, those were interesting.
Yeah, and the slime feels so good inside the bags. Not messy. Feels like a bag.
Yeah, I can play with it when it's inside the bag. Because it doesn't get my hands all icky. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, it was so slimy adventure.
Yeah, if you like this video and would like to see more, give us a thumbs up.
A big one.
A big one. And hit the subscribe button down below. We upload videos every Wednesday. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.